Hi, it's Eebie from Southern Twist Yarns, and today I'd like to demo how to do the cable that is on the Irish cabled neck warmer. This neck warmer is our little gems for the month of June. It's a fun little neck warmer. It's got 3 cables on it, some buttonholes, easy buttonholes. It's not going to stress you out at all, but for those of you who've never done a cable, I wanted to show you how to do it. You'll just follow along in the pattern. It's almost like a rib with some knits and purls. And the pattern says to do a cable over 6 stitches. And what that means is you're going to take your cable needle off of your handy dandy little guy there. I love that thing. I'm going to slip the first 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, to my cable needle, and I'm going to hold it in front. Just leave it there, you don't have to do anything with it. And I'm going to knit the next 3 stitches off of my left hand needle. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to knit the 3 stitches off of my cable needle. You do not need to slide them back to your regular needle. There's no reason to do that, just a waste of time. So I'm just going to knit them straight off my cable needle. 1, and I make sure they get all the way on my right hand needle. Don't leave them up here on your tip or they'll be way too tight. 2, and there's the 3rd guy. All right, so there's our cable right there. We've twisted it. It's kind of wonky looking right now, but once you've knit a few more rows just in pattern without any more cables, you'll see it'll stretch out and you'll be able to actually see the cable better. So now let me try to show you how to do this English style, which y'all remember is not my first language. Continental is my first language, but I will be happy to demo this for you. And those of you who knit English will probably be able to do it way better than me. Okie doke, so now we're ready. I'm at the 6 stitches that create the cable. I'm going to slip the first 3 stitches onto my cable needle. Leave it towards the front, and I'm going to knit the next 3 stitches.
You're off camera.
Am I off camera? Am I back on camera?
You're back on camera.
1, sorry, 2, 3. And now I'm going to knit the 3 stitches off the cable needle. 1. Again, this for me, I have to make sure when I'm doing English that I make sure I have to get them all the way on that big part of the needle. All right, there's that last one. And then you would just finish in pattern. If it's a purl, you purl it. If it's a knit, you knit it. And there it is. And am I off camera again? Mm-hmm. Where am I supposed to be?
Right
am I? Okay, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. But anyway, so this is it. It's a super fun little pattern. You're going to use a skein of our Amelie, which is a really interesting, beautiful yarn. And it's a tube. And it's mulberry silk and baby alpaca with a little bit of merino in there. And they make a tube, and then they blow the fluffy yarn into it, and that's just what creates this beautiful halo. And you will have options if you want to get some buttons as well to go with your Irish cabled neck warmer. Thank you.